Hello guys, this is Niveta. You are 14CS324, and in this experiment we are going to see how to create a registration page using Ajax and just connect it to a database. And for this, first I have opened an PHP page which contains the HTML tags. Inside the HTML tag I have the head tag, and I've closed the head tag head section which contain the title section, and in body section I have the H1 tag which contains the registration page. In registration page, using form action, I'm going to get the database. I'm going to get the details of the user, that is the username and the password. So I'm using form action database.php methods equal to get method. So I'm going to get it from the user. So user, then the username should be in the form. I'm going to get the username in a text box. So username input types equal to text name, and on plus check user this dot value. So username will be user can enter their username, and the password can in password also I'm going to get in the form of text box. So password is also I'm giving. Input types equal to submit. When we give and submit, it just need to submit. The page has to get registered and just go to the, and it should just display the registration gets got successfully. So for this I have used a division tag in it. So ID tell division. In script section I'm going to just write the function. So function check user str. So xml.http.new xml http request. When a request is being sent, first it gets opened. First it gets checked. It checks the PHP whether the name and the username everything is true. If it is true, the request has been sent, and on ready state change, the function will be executed when the value of the ready state changes becomes 4 or the status is becomes 200. It should just go to the it should just run the page and give the output as registered successfully. Now I'm going to closing the script section body and the HTML section. In database.php, now we are going to set the connection for the data for the registration page by using database connectivity. So first I'm getting the username and the password by using get method. Then I'm going to use, the password is going to be of the format of encrypted method. So SHA-1 I'm using. So first we need to connect the database. So dollar connection is equal to MySQL connect, and we should give the localhost root and the password. If the connection is not true, it should just print echo. It should just print error. So for that we have used echo error, and just next the query part. After connection is established, next the query part. So I'm going to insert the value into the we insert the value into the database. So insert into username and the password or my values. So I have written, and the result is going to be printed. So result dollar results equal to MySQL query, and if the result is not true, it should just print the error. Else it should print that your registration got you're registered successfully. And now this is how the output is going to be when I give run file. See here, I have got the registration page, and I'm giving the username as XYZ and the password as ABC. And now if I give register, it will say you're registered successfully. For inserting the data, how we need to insert the username and the password is by using my PHP admin. In this, first you have to type localhost my PHP admin. In that, from that you have to get the PHP admin page, and you'll be getting a database in this. When you click this database, you'll be getting create database. You have to give the name and just click the create button. When you just click the create button, the database will be created. And after creating the database, you just need to create the you should just need to go to the home page and click the database names. Click your database name, and you'll get an option called insert over the navigation bar. You'll get an insert, and if you click that, you can give the values for the user and the password and their data types, and how many number of memory locations should be allocated for everything. The same way I have created a database called a company, and in that users and password. So this is how the user and the password is. See here, I have given the username and the password has been set, and the email ID, username, password, and email ID has been set. This is how the values are inserted into the database. From this database only, the registration page is just taking the password and the username, and just when you're executing it, it just gives registration got successfully. Thank you.